Hello everyone, this is me Johnson Inglang. I hope everyone is doing good. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make organic fertilizer using banana at home. So friends, if you want to make organic fertilizer at home using banana, watch this video till the end. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So I'm going to make this banana as a fertilizer. So I bought this from market. So I'm going to cut this using a sharp knife. So you don't need to use the fruits for fertilizer, you need to just peel out the cover, and you can use the cover of the banana as a fertilizer. So just take out the edible part, you can eat this. Okay, I'm going to use just a cover of the banana. Okay, you can eat this one. If you don't use this, I will use only the cover of banana as a fertilizer. So now we have to cut the cover of the banana using a scissor. Make a small piece, like I'm doing it, like this. So I have finished cutting now. Just check out, just got all the small piece of banana peel. So now I'm going to use this transparent plastic bottle for keeping it. So put it inside the bottle. Okay, now I'll put some water. I'll mix it with water now. Put a little bit more. Okay, this is enough. So place this bottle in indirect sunlight. Do not bring to the direct sunlight. Keep this bottle for 3 to 4 days. Then after 4 days, you can use this as a organic fertilizer. So friends, this is after 4 days. Check the colors of the water. It's got different color now, so it is ready to be used as a organic fertilizer. So first I'm going to filter it in the, just you could check. Okay, the smell is not so good, but it is good for keeping your plant healthy. And if you use this fertilizer, the flower will start blooming more. So this I'm going to filter it now. So now this is the fertilizer. Just you check the fertilizer. So so it is just sticky. So some I'll keep in the bottle for using the next fertilizing spray, and some I'm going to use now. I'm going to spray in my flowers in my garden. So you don't need to use much. So in 1 liter bottle you can use like 250 grams of fertilizer. Okay, and rest you can mix it with water, with clean water. So spray this once in a month. Your plant will stay healthy and it will start blooming. So you can use this in any flowers, but remember, do not keep too much of fertilizer, keep more water. So just spray in your flowers. So friends, this fertilizer I use regularly in my garden to keep my plant healthy and keeps the flowers blooming a lot. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.